Welcome to this guided meditation, a journey to awaken your inner joy and feel truly high on life. This moment is yours, a time to reconnect with your inner light. Rediscover your sense of wonder. And embrace the limitless possibilities that surround you. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Sigh. Let go of the day's worries and allow yourself to be fully present in this sacred moment of joy and transformation. Imagine yourself walking along a beautiful sunlit path. The air is fresh, and the colors of nature around you are vibrant and alive. With every step you take, feel your heart filling with gratitude, your soul becoming lighter, and your spirit awakening to the beauty of life. This is your journey, a journey to reconnect with the boundless joy and energy within you. As you continue walking this path, repeat these affirmations, letting them uplift and energize you. Speak them with conviction, knowing their truth resonates deeply within your soul. I am alive, vibrant, and filled with endless joy. Life is a beautiful gift, and I embrace every moment. Life is a beautiful gift, and I embrace every moment. Happiness flows through me effortlessly. Happiness flows through me effortlessly. I radiate positivity, love, and gratitude. I am connected to the boundless energy of life. I radiate positivity, love, and gratitude. I am connected to the boundless energy of life. Every breath I take fills me with peace and excitement for the journey ahead. Every breath I take fills me with peace and excitement for the journey ahead. choose to see the beauty in every experience. I choose to see the beauty in every experience. I am free, limitless, and high on life. I am free, limitless, and high on life. Feel your body come alive with energy and purpose. Imagine a golden light within you, growing brighter and stronger with each breath you take. This light is your life force, your source of joy and passion. Visualize yourself stepping into your day with confidence, enthusiasm, and an open heart. See yourself laughing, loving, and living fully, free from fear or limitation. You are alive. You are powerful. You are unstoppable. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to this moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale with a smile. Wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes when you feel ready. Carrying this sense of joy, energy, and freedom into your day. You are high on life, and every moment is a celebration of the incredible being that you are. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Remember, the beauty of life is always within your reach. Go forth, live boldly, and shine brightly.